Are you getting the application encountered an unrecognizable error on Roblox from your computer? In this video, I will show you some easy steps to fix the error in Windows 11 or 10 computers. So let's get started. First, press Windows plus R and open the run command. Type %local app data % and press enter. Find out the temp folder. Open it and delete the Roblox folder. After that, clear Roblox data from your browser. Open the Chrome browser, click the three dots, go to settings, click privacy and security. Now click on third-party cookies. Scroll down. Click see all site data and permissions. Find out Roblox and delete this. After that, uninstall Roblox. Open settings, click on apps, click install apps, find out Roblox and uninstall the app. Now open your browser and download and install Roblox from the official website. And then right-click on Roblox. Go to Properties. Click on Compatibility. Check Disable Full Screen Optimization. Then click Apply and OK. After doing this process, hope the application encountered an unrecognizable error on Roblox will be solved. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.